yeah. What is good, guys? We are out here in the mangroves today. I did the thing and bought a kayak. So yeah, we've been out here adventuring today. And yeah, come along. Bound to find some unique wildlife and possibly even some dinner. So yeah, stick around. Yeah, it should be a wild adventure. Here we go. So weather is kind of turning for the worst real quick, but we're gonna get the kayak out there and hope for the best. It's my first time in the kayak, so hopefully I don't fucking flip it. Yeah, and hopefully there's no bull sharks in the water. Here we go. All right, so not the most beautiful day, but just got the kayak, so gotta try it out. Hopefully I don't flip the thing, and hopefully I don't run into any bull sharks, because there's definitely bull sharks out here, which is not ideal, but just don't flip the bitch and we should be all right. The tide is running out, so we are fighting the current at the moment, which isn't great as well. But we're doing it. We're out here fucking doing it. Fat rat in there, like huge rat. Damn boy, you a thick boy. Lost it. God damn it. That didn't work so well. Alright, let's get a running start. Maybe we can just slide right up it. Let's see. Alright, so we've made it to this nice little bank. Unfortunately, both GoPros have died, so I think I might try a little land-based fishing. Try to get something on camera. You can see him. There's a little rat, or not a little rat, fucking huge rat, just swimming up and down the canal. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so unfortunately no more fish. Had that one hookup that I lost. Not great, but I'm definitely going to be coming back here. Such a beautiful place. Today I definitely came at the wrong time. So next time we'll come nice and early on the right tide and hopefully catch a few little things we can eat. But both the GoPros died, so I won't be seeing you guys until I'm back at the car. So yeah, just wish me luck. It's about low tide right now. So I want to get out of here quick before the tide switches, and then I'm battling to get out just like I battled to get in. And that was not fun. So let's get a move on before we get stuck. And yeah, it should be fun. Back on the river. We entered from a different entrance this time. So instead of entering Oceanside, we came up from the river. And yeah, we're gonna trek into a little canal. But right now we need to get to the other side. This is the narrowest point, so hopefully no big ships come. And no sharks. Dun, dun, dun. Fuck. So the plan now is just to go up this little creek, try to go to the top of it, and just ride the current down since the tide is going out. And yeah, just ride it down, cast around, hopefully catch something to eat. But yeah, just trying to work the tide in our favor. Alright, that didn't really work, so we're gonna head up even further up the river. I feel like there's gonna be a few spiders in there. Don't know if I'm that keen. There's no spider webs. No, I think we're good. I don't think I can make it much further. If I came at a slightly lower tide, don't think that's for today. Uh-oh, land ho. Shit. Fuck. Oh no. Oh, I'm really fucking up. Alright, I think we got it. There we go. I think we might be a little overdue for a little fishing, so let's see what we can do. I don't know if you can see it, but my line is stuck over a spider web. Oh, we got a kookaburra. Right in here, there might be some fish. The current's pulling down this way. This is nice and still water. Alright, new plan. Gonna find somewhere to post up for a second, eat some lunch, drink some water and stuff, stretch my legs. So hopefully this isn't just all mangroves here, and there'll be a little jets. So yeah, we're gonna find a new place to, or find a place to post up, have some lunch, stretch my legs. Hopefully this isn't all just mangroves along the edges here. Hopefully we can find like a little sandy spot, or at least a little bit of grass that hits the water line. It's gonna be hard because it's low tide. So I'm thinking about posting up here. It's kind of a steep mud wall. At least it's not super thick. But I think we'll keep looking just in case we find something a little bit better, but we'll keep that one in mind. And yeah, we're gonna head up that way and hopefully find a little beach. I think we found our beach. Let's see. What's the best plan of attack? Thinking maybe right over here. Ooh, it's muddy. We did it. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, fuck, I'm so stuck. There we go. Oh, God damn it. The beers are safe. Ooh, no worries. Just make sure that's everything. There's nothing deadly up here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Perfect. Beautiful. Oh, we're on. Oh, yeah. We got it. I accidentally turned off the camera thinking I was turning it on. But we got one. I wonder if it's legal. So yeah, it's just over legal limit. So we're gonna eat them. All right. So you guys ready? Brought along a little stove. Get cooking out here. I also brought a chopping board and a pan. So we're all set for some cooking. So in this magic bag, we have some lemon, always important. And then also have some butter, very important as well. And last but not least, we have the goods. Cool. We have fire! Alright. Put some butter in there. Ooh, yeah. While that's doing its thing, gonna clean fish. Looking pretty good. Ooh, it's sizzling. Ooh, baby. Alright. Ooh. guys ready? Beautiful flaky goodness. And this was caught about 15 minutes ago, maybe less. So how's that? 15 minutes from your local estuary system to your plate. That's pretty wild. Oh, gotta love Australia. Takes us a few more minutes. It should be good. Beautiful day, beautiful meal. Doesn't get much better. All right, so I think it's just about the right tide to start packing up and start heading downstream. The tide should be just very, very light, so we should drift down real slowly. We'll just cast a line as we drift back down into the main system. And yeah, hopefully catch some fish. Here we go. Uh-oh. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh, so smooth. All right, update. I'm a little lost. The water seems to be draining into here. Then going still. Unless the tide's already pushing in, which it shouldn't be. Good old Google Maps, help me out. Yeah, stay to the right. That's not good. That means the tide's already coming in. It's time to head back to the car. Yeah, there's a storm coming quickly, and I do not want to be out here in the rain or the wind. The wind is picking up as well. So I'm gonna start heading back to the car. And if I stop and fish, you guys will obviously see it, but if I don't, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, make sure you guys tune in next week for my next adventure. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll see you guys next week.